Hi, welcome to Hobie Farms. Today we're going to harvest moringa. We're going to show you how to do that. After we harvested the leaves from the trees, I brought it in and I washed it really well, and I spun out the water so that there would not be extra water in the dehydrator. I'm going to use the dehydrator and put it on the temperature of 110 for about 6 or 7 hours. I know that you lose a little bit of nutrient content whenever you dehydrate compared to freeze drying. However, by keeping the temperature low, you can maintain the majority of it. So after the leaves are dried, I'm going to use my NutriBullet and I'm going to grind it up real fine. This moringa, even after being dried and ground, looks so fresh. I love the color here. The powder definitely has a strong fragrance of greens. When I was finished grinding all of the moringa, I noticed that there was a lot of sticks in it still. So I decided that I'm going to strain out the sticks as much as possible because I want to use this moringa powder for capsules. So I'm straining it one more time before I put it in the mason jar. I am going to seal them up with my dry sealer because I don't have plans to use it immediately. I just made my own moringa capsules recently, so I really have plenty of it. However, the reason we harvested this was because there's cold snaps coming in and I don't want to lose the moringa. This dry sealer works so well. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.